In this latest online writing courses exposed video, we dive into the AWAI accelerated program for six-figure copywriting, and we take a detailed look at the welcome section. Hi, I'm Les Blythe, and in this video we go behind the scenes of AWAI's accelerated program for six-figure copywriting, and I show you just what to expect from the content in the welcome section. Now, you'll want to keep watching to the end of the video because I've got a couple of free bonuses for you that you won't want to miss out on, and I'll tell you about that towards the end. But first, let's dive into the welcome section of the AWAI accelerated program for six-figure copywriting and check out the content there. Okay guys, here we are on the welcome page of the accelerated program for six-figure copywriting, and I just want to take you through this one module briefly. I'll be covering the other parts in another video. So in here in the welcome page, you can see we've got the table of contents, we've got the user guide, the 90-day success plan, and the glossary of terms. Now all of these things are quite comprehensive. So for example, if I take you to the table of contents quickly, let's have a look at that. This is the table of contents for the accelerated program for six-figure copywriting from the American Writers and Artists, Inc. You'll see obviously all of their stuff is copyright, so I don't want to show you too much, but I do want to give you an idea of what's in here. So here we go through the various parts as you saw on the previous screen. There's the part one where they go into the welcome and congratulations, which we worked before. They go through what is a copywriter, direct marketing defined, what do you need to be a copywriter. That's quite an interesting module, and this one is even more interesting, the things you don't need to be a copywriter. And they go into such things as you don't need a whole lot of money to be a copywriter. Anyone can do it by following a course like this. They look at the earning potential, which is quite interesting because they do guide you away from working for agencies, and you can make much better money working for yourself as a freelancer. Where's the clicking? That's all about the cherry on the cake of copywriting. And they look at some of the masters of copywriting, such as David Ogilvy, and they give you reading resources, etc., that you can look at. Okay, so that's in that module. Let's go back to the table of contents again. As I say, you've got the user guide, you've got the 90-day success plan, which we've looked at before. Briefly look at that again. This takes you through the whole thing from start to finish, day by day, from week 1 right through to week 12, 13. Again, all of this stuff is copyrighted. I can't show you too much, but I want to give you an idea of the value that you get inside the course. So that's your 90-day plan. You can, within 90 days, you can become a copywriter. You can do it much sooner, actually, but I mean, they're aiming for 90 days, which is a reasonable time to learn the various parts of the course. You've got practice exercises, glossary of terms here. That's pretty useful, and this is actually one of the most comprehensive glossaries of writing terms I've ever seen. It goes into everything, you know, starts at A, works its way through the alphabet, and it's so comprehensive there's really nothing left out of it. So that's your glossary of terms as well. So there you have it, guys. As I say, I'll be looking at the other parts individually in future videos. This is the welcome part of the course, and in the following video I'll be looking at part 1. So look out for that. If you found this video useful, I'd appreciate you giving it a thumbs up, liking it, and perhaps sharing it around if you feel it could help anyone else as well. Now also remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification so I know where to send more useful freelancing and copywriting advice and tips as they become available. Finally, if you want to get involved in the conversation or there's something you need to know or you want to discuss, consider dropping a comment on the video as well. Okay, that's it, guys. Now, as promised, there's a link below this video where you can pick up your bonuses. All you simply do is drop me your email so I know where to send them. And once you've done that, you'll also be taken to another page which will tell you more about the AWAI Accelerated Program for Six-Figure Copywriters, and you can decide if that's going to be right for you. So I think that's everything, guys. As I say, hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, ciao for now.